Imagine a world without the printed word, a world where knowledge was scarce, shared only through laborious handwritten copies. This was life before Johannes Gutenberg's printing press. In the 15th century, Gutenberg, a German inventor, developed a revolutionary machine. This invention used movable type, a system of individual letters that could be arranged, inked, and pressed onto paper. This groundbreaking invention marked the beginning of mass communication. For the first time, books and other documents could be reproduced quickly and affordably. This invention democratized knowledge, making it accessible to a wider audience. Gutenberg's printing press was a pivotal moment in human history. Early printing presses, while groundbreaking, were still rudimentary by today's standards. They were often large, heavy machines requiring significant manual labor to operate. These early presses used oil-based inks, which took time to dry. Paper, often made by hand, was another expensive factor. Despite these limitations, the impact of early printing presses was undeniable. Books, once rare and expensive, became more widely available. This availability of books spurred a surge in literacy and education across Europe. The printing press facilitated the spread of knowledge, ideas, and culture across geographical boundaries. The world was changing, one printed page at a time. The 19th century ushered in a new era of printing with the advent of steam power. This innovation revolutionized the printing process, enabling printers to produce materials faster than ever before. The steam-powered rotary press, invented by Richard Hoe in 1843, could print on continuous rolls of paper, dramatically increasing printing speed and efficiency. This increased capacity led to the rise of mass-produced newspapers, magazines, and books. Information became more accessible and affordable to the general public. This accessibility fueled social and political movements as people could stay informed about current events and engage in public discourse. The mid-20th century witnessed the dawn of the computer age, a revolutionary period that transformed the way we process and store information. Alongside the development of computers, a new chapter in the evolution of printers began to unfold, marking significant advancements in technology. The dot matrix printer, invented in the 1960s, was a groundbreaking innovation. It utilized a matrix of tiny pins to strike an inked ribbon, creating characters on paper. This method was quite different from the earlier printing technologies. The pins in the dot matrix printer moved back and forth, striking the ribbon and transferring ink onto the paper in a precise pattern. This allowed for the creation of both text and simple graphics, a feature that was highly valued at the time. While these printers were slow and noisy, they were more versatile than their predecessors. They could handle different types of paper and print continuous forms, which was a significant advantage for businesses. The versatility of dot matrix printers made them suitable for a variety of tasks, from printing invoices and receipts to creating banners and reports. Their ability to print both text and graphics set them apart from earlier printers. Capable of printing both text and graphics, dot matrix printers became indispensable tools in many offices and homes. They were used for everything from simple documents to more complex graphical prints. The invention of the personal computer in the 1970s further fueled the demand for home and office printers. As computers became more accessible, the need for reliable and affordable printing solutions grew. This surge in demand led to the widespread adoption of dot matrix printers in both home and office environments. They became a common sight, providing a practical solution for everyday printing needs. Dot matrix printers became a common sight in homes and businesses, enabling people to print documents, spreadsheets, and even simple graphics. Their reliability and cost-effectiveness made them a popular choice. The ability to print documents, spreadsheets, and simple graphics at home and in the workplace revolutionized the way people handled information. It allowed for greater flexibility and efficiency in managing tasks. This newfound ability to create printed materials at home and in the workplace further democratized access to information and communication. People could now produce their own printed materials without relying on external services. The dot matrix printer played a crucial role in this transformation, making it easier for individuals and businesses to share and disseminate information. It was a key player in the democratization of information access and communication. Section 5. Inkjet printers, a splash of color. In the 1980s, a new breed of printers emerged, inkjet printers. These printers used tiny nozzles to spray droplets of ink onto paper, creating high-quality text and images. Inkjet printers were quieter and more compact than dot matrix printers and offered a wider range of colors. The development of color inkjet printers revolutionized home and office printing, making it possible to print vibrant, high-resolution images and graphics. This innovation opened up a world of possibilities for creativity and communication, from printing family photos to designing professional marketing materials. Section 6. Laser focus, the rise of laser printers. While inkjet printers excelled in color printing, laser printers, invented in the 1970s, emerged as the preferred choice for high-volume, high-quality text printing. Laser printers use a laser beam to create an electrostatic image on a drum, which then attracts toner particles that are transferred to paper. Laser printers were faster and produced sharper text than inkjet printers. They also became increasingly affordable, making them a staple in offices worldwide. The ability to print high-quality documents quickly and efficiently boosted productivity and communication in the workplace. Section 7.3. Printing, a new dimension. The 21st century has witnessed a paradigm shift in printing technology with the advent of 3D printing. Unlike traditional printers that produce two-dimensional images on paper, 3D printers create three-dimensional objects by layering materials based on digital designs. This revolutionary technology uses plastics, metals, ceramics, and even food as printing materials. The applications of 3D printing are vast and ever-expanding, from creating prototypes and custom-designed products to producing medical implants and even building houses. 3D printing is transforming industries, empowering individuals, and pushing the boundaries of manufacturing and design. Section 8. The impact of printers on society. The evolution of printers has had a profound impact on society, transforming the way we communicate, learn, work, and create. From the early days of the printing press, which enabled the mass production of books and newspapers, to modern digital printers that allow us to produce high-quality documents and images with ease, the journey of printing technology is a testament to human ingenuity and progress. From the mass production of books and newspapers to the ability to print high-quality documents and images at home and in the workplace, printers have democratized access to information and empowered individuals to share their ideas and creativity with the world. This democratization has not only facilitated the spread of knowledge, but also fostered a culture of innovation and expression, allowing people from all walks of life to contribute to the global conversation. The rise of 3D printing is poised to revolutionize numerous industries and aspects of our lives, from healthcare to manufacturing to education. With the ability to create complex, customized objects on demand, 3D printing is opening up new possibilities for medical treatments, product design, and educational tools. This technology is not just a new way to make things, it represents a fundamental shift in how we approach problem solving and innovation. As printing technology continues to evolve, it holds the potential to solve complex problems, drive innovation, and shape the future in ways we are only beginning to imagine. From creating sustainable materials to developing new methods of construction, the future of printing is bright and full of promise. The ongoing advancements in this field will undoubtedly continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, making the impact of printers on society even more profound. Section 9. From Gutenberg to the Future, a legacy of innovation. From Gutenberg's printing press to the modern 3D printer, the journey of printing technology has been nothing short of revolutionary. The journey of printing technology has been marked by relentless innovation and a drive to push the boundaries of what's possible. Each era has seen remarkable advancements, from the movable type of the Renaissance to the digital presses of today. Each technological leap has brought about profound changes in the way we communicate, learn, and interact with the world around us. Books became more accessible, knowledge spread faster, and the world became more connected. As we look ahead, it is clear that the story of printing technology is far from over. The advent of 3D printing has opened up new possibilities, allowing us to create complex structures layer by layer. New advancements and applications are emerging all the time, from bioprinting human tissues to constructing entire buildings. The potential seems limitless. promising to further blur the lines between the physical and digital worlds. These innovations are set to revolutionize industries and change the way we live and work. The legacy of Gutenberg and the countless innovators who followed continues to inspire us to explore new frontiers and shape the future. Their contributions have laid the foundation for a world where information and creativity know no bounds. One printed layer at a time, we are building a future that honors the past while embracing the endless possibilities of tomorrow.